Hello everyone. Today in this video I will teach you how to add music to your WhatsApp status, and for that I'm going to use Instagram story. I'm pretty sure most of you have Instagram because this is the simplest and most effective method. So let's start the video. So first open your Instagram, and from here we need to open our Instagram story. So for that press this plus icon, and then you see this story, tap here once. Now from our gallery we need to choose the video or photo. I'm going to choose this photo as an example. You can choose your photo, whichever you want. So now you will see this music icon from the top. Tap here and you will see this search menu. You can search any music which you want. If you have a specific music, so you can search the music, but for this video I have no specific music.
But for this video I don't have any specific music. I'm just gonna choose a random music. So yeah, after choosing this music you need to select the music logo. I'm going to choose this and press the done button. Now we can change this logo to anywhere we want. We can place it on the top, bottom, or we can hide it like this. So after selecting your desired location the way you want, then we need to tap these three dots and tap the save button. Let it save. It will take some time. Now it has been saved to our gallery.
So now I'm going to put the video on my story. So this is the video. Now it has become a video. Tap here and this has music. If you play this you will find a music now. So yeah, that's how you do it. Then press this arrow button. So we have successfully added music to our WhatsApp status from Instagram story. So yeah, that's how you do it.